Good morning everyone, quick update. I have indeed bought another Subaru. So it is a 2007 WRX. Let me just give it a quick look. It's got a lot of modifications on it. It's got STI turbo, STI injectors. Pretty much everything that Whiteline make is on it. It needs a good service because it hasn't been serviced in 20,000 miles, but it's making all the right noises. An odd collection of stickers on it. Prodrive exhaust is there. The wheels, those are Rota Gravel. I'm not sure what that D on the disc means. Maybe it means that it is decked because that needs replaced. Hubcap centers are missing as well, so I'll need to fix those. STI spoiler has been put on it along with the roof spoiler. Standard WRX interior. So STI top mount intercooler is there. It's got an APS intake. Strut braces front and rear. So there is the strut brace in the back. Guinness, very important. But that coolant is basically water and it was -2 here last night. I'm just a little worried that the car might freeze up. So it's going to get into a service place called Hypertech, which is about a 40-minute drive from us, but they've always been good with the Subarus before. Oh, coilovers as well, that's the other thing. So it's got the BC Racing coilovers, the BR series, which are very hard and bouncy so far. But I've turned them down a couple of notches on the setting. You can make it a little softer, so hopefully that will work out well. But everything works. Despite the lack of service, it seems to be in pretty good condition. Someone has spent a clean fortune modifying this car. We'll show you more of the parts as we discover them, but the list of receipts that I got with the car is pretty lengthy. So I think I've got a bit of a bargain here. It just needs a bit of TLC because I think the last year or so it hasn't really been driven or serviced. So we'll get that sorted out and then we'll get it on a dyno and see what power it's making, and we'll let you know what mods are coming up. Starting off with making that exhaust louder. Even with a decat and the centre section removed, the back box is a little subtle for my tastes, because I am a hooligan chav bastard. So, we'll keep you posted. Take care everyone. Like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff down the bottom if you like, and we'll see you soon. Thanks guys.